In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an IP address range in Salesforce. This is an essential task for Salesforce admins who want to ensure that only certain IP addresses can access their Salesforce environment, which can enhance security by restricting access to authorized users only. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're there, take a look in the upper right corner of the screen and you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then choose Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where you can make more advanced configurations for your Salesforce instance. Now that you're in Advanced Setup, look towards the top of your screen for the Quick Find box, that's the search bar. In this box, you're going to type the word network. Once you've typed that in, you'll see an option for network access. Click on that option. This will direct you to the section where IP ranges can be managed. Moving along, to create a new IP range, you need to click on the button labeled New. This is an important step as it initiates the process of defining a range of IP addresses that will be allowed to access your Salesforce environment. Next, you'll see fields labeled Start IP address and End IP address. Here, you'll need to enter the IP address range that you want to permit access from. Ensure the IP address you input in the Start IP address field is a valid one, and then input a higher numbered IP address in the End IP address field to define the range. If you only want a single IP address to have access, simply enter the same IP address in both fields. While this next step is optional, it's highly recommended for the sake of clarity. You can add a description for your IP range. This helps anyone else managing the network configurations to understand what each IP range is for. For instance, you might use a description like Office Network or Client Network to easily identify the source of the network access. Finally, after you've entered all of your information, you'll want to click on Save in order to store the new IP address range. This ensures that your changes are applied and that the specified IP addresses will have access to Salesforce according to your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an IP address range in Salesforce. By following these steps, you're helping secure your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy administering.